Now we are going to learn about non-homogeneous linear differential equations. In case of non-homogeneous linear differential equations, the formula for general solution is y equals to Cf plus Pi, where Cf is complementary function and Pi is particular integral. Here the process for finding the complementary function is same as before we done in the homogeneous differential equations. The complementary function is done by substituting the values of m1 and m2 in these formulas. Whereas the particular integral is different for different equations. Addition of both the complementary function of the question and particular integral is the answer for non-homogeneous linear differential equations. Let us try to find out some particular integrals. Here, in non-homogeneous linear differential equations, after the equal to sign, we will not have 0. In case of homogeneous, we have 0, but in case of non-homogeneous, we have some equations. Our question is to find the particular integral of the differential equation d square minus 5d plus 6 equals to 5 e power 5x. Here, as it is 5 e power 5x, then we have to consider the value of d as 5, because if we consider the equation as e power ax, in place of a there is 5, so we have to take the value of d as 5. Just substituting the value of 5 in place of d, we get the answer. Hence 5 e power 5x by 5 square plus 5 into 5 plus 6. Substituting the value of 5 in place of d, we get 5 e power 5x by 5 square minus 5 into 5 plus 6. 5 e power 5x by 25 minus 25 plus 6. Here at last we get the particular integral of d square minus 5d plus 6 equals to 5 e power x. Then the value of pi is 5 e power 5x by 6. Thank you.